What if I told you that drones could replace hours of manual inspections, prevent accidents, and even help build the cities of the future? Drones aren't just for cool aerial shots anymore, they're revolutionizing civil engineering. From structure inspections to surveying massive projects, drones are saving time, money, and even lives. Stick around, because today we're diving into how drones are reshaping the way engineers build, monitor, and maintain our world. How drones are used in civil engineering. Civil engineers used to rely on manual labor for site inspections, which could be time-consuming, expensive, and even dangerous. But now, drones are doing it faster, cheaper, and safer. Key uses of drones in civil engineering. KeyCap 1 site surveys and mapping. Drones can scan large areas in minutes, creating detailed 3D maps. KeyCap 2 structure inspections. Engineers can check bridges, towers, and buildings without climbing dangerous heights. KeyCap 3 construction progress monitoring. Real-time aerial footage helps keep projects on track and under budget. KeyCap 4 disaster assessment. After earthquakes or floods, drones provide instant damage reports. Think of drones as the ultimate engineering assistant, fast, precise, and fearless. Drones versus traditional inspections. The big advantage: saving time and money. 1. A manual bridge inspection could take weeks and cost thousands of dollars. 2. A drone can do it in a few hours at a fraction of the cost. Increased safety. 1. Engineers no longer have to climb high-rise buildings or use dangerous scaffolding. 2. Instead, drones scan structures from the air, reducing accidents and workplace injuries. Example. 1. The U.S. Department of Transportation found that drone bridge inspections were 66% faster than traditional methods, reducing road closures and safety risks. Conclusion. Drones are not just making civil engineering more efficient, they're making it safer, smarter, and cheaper. The future of drones in civil engineering. Imagine this. 1. AI-powered drones that autonomously inspect entire cities. 2. Drones that 3D print repairs in mid-air to fix cracks in skyscrapers and bridges. 3. Swarm drones working together to monitor traffic and prevent congestion. This is not science fiction, it's already happening. 1. Some companies are developing self-repairing drones that conceal small cracks in roads before they get worse. 2. AI-driven drone fleets are being tested to monitor air pollution, water quality, and even earthquake-prone areas. Drones are just the beginning. Drones are no longer just a fancy gadget, they're becoming an essential tool in civil engineering. From scanning skyscrapers to saving lives, their impact is only going to grow. What do you think? Will drones replace human engineers, or will they just make their jobs easier? Let's chat in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next big innovation in engineering.